So how do you improve the quality of iPad's screen recording? Let's get into it. Now, of course, there are some things you can do. At first, if you are not yet running the latest version of iPadOS 26, I recommend you to install that version, as there are some things which have been improved in terms of screen recording, namely that the resolution has been bumped up, right? So it now lets you capture in the full resolution, which was not the case before, so definitely update. But then, in order to improve the quality, there are some additional things you can do, not like the main stuff, but you can, for example, enable the focus mode, which is part of the settings, of course, and it will essentially block some unwanted notifications, calls, and some other things which might interrupt your screen recording. A lot of people use it, and I use it myself. It's very useful. Outside of that, you can also perform some different things, like, of course, enable the microphone while screen recording. You can connect a external mic to the iPad so you get a better sound and upgrade the quality of that in that sense. But at the end of the day, the most improvements I can achieve with my screen recording is through a video editor. So I'm a big fan of CapCut. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I like to use that video editor because I can import my screen recording into that app. I can perform all of the edits which I need. I can cut out some parts which I don't want to be there, or I can zoom in to emphasize some points on the screen, and plenty of other things which I have the ability to do. But most importantly, before I export the video inside of this video editor, I can change the frame rate, resolution, and even add some AI enhancements or, some optical flow or some other features which might make the video look a bit better. So this is how I like to improve the quality of my screen recordings. Let me know what you think below. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the Foxtecc channel so you will not miss the next videos like this one. But that's going to be about it for me. Honestly, I hope that I could help you. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.